Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about how we can set up DynamoDB in AWS, and we will talk about what is the DynamoDB, how we can create the DynamoDB, and what could be the benefit of using DynamoDB. This is what today our agenda. I have already logged in the AWS console, and here is I am in the version, and this is the DynamoDB. So if you not recently visit this DynamoDB, then just click on search and DynamoDB, search like this, and it will come here. Let's first explain that what is the DynamoDB. Now, DynamoDB is a kind of NoSQL database which is provided by Amazon, and NoSQL means like not a structure. Structure in the sense like as we know, right? SQL is the structure database, structure query language, whereas NoSQL means there is a no structure. That can be structured, semi-structured, unstructured, anything, any kind of data that can be stored in this NoSQL database. Like other than this DynamoDB, if I talk about, like, if you know about the MongoDB or maybe HBase, those are kind of NoSQL database. Okay, guys. So let's jump to this DynamoDB. How we can, and one more thing, guys, keep in mind, this is like a NoSQL in the sense like it will store data like a key value pair, and it will be very like faster, like a read write. It will be very fast since it is a not a structure, not any relational database, right? So it will be very fast, and how it will work, so benefit like performance, it will be very good. And ready use case, if you say like ad tech, like whatever adding tech is on Facebook, different kind of advertisement purpose, this NoSQL will be helpful, or social or gaming or retailer, those purpose we can use it. Okay, guys. So let's click on that. First, how we can create, first we need to create a table like any name. Let's give that something like that. And here two thing, this it will be like a one key which will be the unique, like that is kind of primary key, you can say, or it can be partition key. Okay, guys. So this is kind of primary key. By using that, you can like indexing, or maybe it will be very fast whenever you are fetching your record. Okay, guys. So that key, suppose you want to store like any information, like you can say like student details, or maybe library management, or maybe file like user details. Okay, guys, or maybe advertisement details, whatever you want to store. So each and every table which will contain one id, that id should be the unique as a primary key. Okay, guys. So let's give the id here. And if you give a suppose, let's store that student info, or maybe employee details, right? So that employee id, or maybe student id, and that could be content name. Okay, these two are the, this sorted key is the optional. If you want, you can give, but this primary key is the mandatory key. Okay, guys. And this is the id. Either you can select binary, number, string. So let's select this one, number, and name keep as a string. Okay, guys. And here table settings, we have like two different kind of setting. One is the default, which will have that all the details, and which all editable after creating this table. Also, if you would like to edit by using, you can edit also. So like which all option is yes, those you can edit, which is no, you cannot. Okay, guys. And there is one more option, customize settings. If you click here, then you can select like DynamoDB standard, Dynamo standard IA. There are different kind of, and on demand or provisioning, and auto scaling. If you would like, you can specify it here, and how many maximum, minimum in like instance or you need, then you can specify it here. Write capacity also you can specify it. Then indexing, like those like id and name, sorted key and index, those are there, right? If you would like any secondary index, then you can create estimate charge, read write capacity charge monthly, this much dollar, whatever I have selected, right? Accordingly, if you create here more thing, then it will charge also. So if it is a learning purpose, then I will recommend don't use this one. You can use the default setting, whatever we have as it is. And if it is you are working So anywhere, then you can choose the customize settings as per your needed. Okay guys, so let's click on create. Now DynamoDB creation in progress. Okay, our DynamoDB is ready. It's now it is in active state. So let's click on inside that, and if you go inside, you can see like overview, all the details, and here is the index part. If you have an index, or if you want, you can create. Index means like it will be more faster to make your performance. It will improve. Okay, guys. Backup, there are multiple options there. Addition settings also is there. You can edit also these settings. Okay, guys. Now here if you want to like let's click create here, and if you want to explore item, right? So here if you see like zero item is there because we don't have any item now. So let's go to the table details and go to the action, and here we have option create item, delete table, update classes, edit capacity, create replica, index item. So let's create some item here. ID is the primary key. Let's give here and name, suppose I am giving. Okay, and let's create this item, and now this is like two column we have. Like let's create another item here, suppose second one, and suppose give the name. Want to add any new item also, here you can add. Suppose I want to add one string here, suppose city, and gender, suppose. Okay, and if you want to add some list also, that also possible. Like you can add list also here, and list name you can give like suppose I want to give, suppose emp details. Okay, in that you can add, suppose I want to add string like what I can say dev, or if string you can add, suppose senior. Suppose you want to number, phone number also you can add. Suppose something number you can add, or if you want any set or list on inside the list, if you want one more list you can add, something like that we can do, and then create item. So let me show you that two item is created here, one list, gender. This is node structure. These two are we have fixed. On top of that, whatever you want, if you want extra you can add extra, then you can scan also. And if you want to do filter, let's keep the filter ID, and let's keep the number equal, suppose I am giving one. Let's run, then it will come one, and if you give here two. So like this we can do. And if you want to delete only record, then you can delete also this delete item, edit item, duplicate item, download CSV, download selected item also you can do. This kind of thing we can do. And if you want to reset this filter, you can reset also. Then if you run, then all record, whatever record we have, it will come. Okay guys, now this is how we can export the table. And if you want to, so you can go to details and explore item. If you come here, explore item, if you go to the tables, you can just select this table, and here you have that option update settings, exploring all these things. Or if you want to delete, you can delete also. Or if you would like to create one more table, then you can create like this. And if you delete, just select this and delete this. So something like that we can do. The DynamoDB is setup, and it's a nosql database. So in my next subsequent video I will talk about how we can read data from S3 bucket and put the data to the database by using lambda. So I hope this DynamoDB setup and what how we can use it, it's got clear to you guys. And if you this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys, please share surrounding with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, then put those comment in this video comment section. I will address that. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Chalo, bye.